Hello everyone, in today's strategy I'm going to show you a brand new method where you can start making money with videos you download for free online. Yes, this is correct. This strategy is very straightforward, but make sure that you watch the video until the end so you don't miss out in any important or essential step. Additionally, if you watch the video until the end, I have a bonus training for you where you will learn how to make thousands of dollars online by selling high ticket products. You can click on the first link in the description after watching the video, then you can give us your email address and then we'll send you all the information to your inbox. But as I don't want to waste your time, let's get into the computer so we can start with today's strategy. So for today's strategy, the first website which I will like you to come to is called rumble.com, and you're gonna be surprised because there's a lot of people making a lot of money on this website. And the good thing about this website is like you don't actually need subscribers to get paid. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you can combine this strategy with YouTube. Okay, so you can actually make some compilations and people can gonna pay you for this. Okay, so when you come to YouTube, I want you to look for pet videos first, and let's see what comes up. Okay, so these are the pet videos that have come up, but first of all wanna go into Rumble, and then for example if you check on this website and you put pets, you're gonna see that a lot of videos show. Some of them will get some of them will show how much money they've made, some of them won't, but you can see here $32, $1, $0.24, and then if you keep scrolling down, $350. So let's check out this one, and then you can see as you go down that actually people are getting paid for views, so you're gonna get paid as well here, $100. The only thing is not all videos display how much they're making, but they making money. So what I advise you to do is go and then you will click on sign up, and then you will sign up and create an account. Okay, so then for example you can see this person has published this video on the 22nd of November, has got 40,000 views, which is actually not that much, and they already make $400, which is actually awesome. And then you can have a look at the different type of videos that they might have if you actually click on the profile. So let's check it out. Let's check on the click on the profile. Let's see what they've got going on. For they actually go just two videos. One of them they make $117, and the other one $350, which is good just for two videos. And this is something that you won't be making on YouTube, because in YouTube, in order for you to be able to make money, it's gonna take you a while. You need to build up your subscribers first, and then you need to get your watch hours and so on. So where you gonna get your videos from? So let me show you. You will go into YouTube as we said, and you will click into pet videos. Okay, but make sure you just don't copy and download these videos straight away, because then you're gonna be accused of copyright. So I'm gonna give you tips on how you can do it without copyright. Okay, so if you go into filters, you will click on Creative Commons, and then on Creative Commons, these are the videos that you actually allowed to download. Okay, so I will focus on kind of funny videos or cute videos, so you can actually that you can actually entertain people and have greater chances of making money, because these are videos that people are gonna like. So for example this one, as you can see on this video, this person obviously is getting paid for this video, but I'm gonna show you when it loads. If you go into let's stop this volume. So if you go to the bottom part, you can see that this video is actually licensed under Creative Commons, which means that you have the rights, as you can see here, for the attribution and share aspect, you have the rights to use this video. Okay, but still I don't want you to just completely download it and upload it into Rumble, because that will be a mistake if you do it this way. Okay, so what you will do instead is you will need a software to edit this video. But before that, let me show you. Wanna go to SimilarWeb. SimilarWeb is a website where it measures the traffic of different websites. So as you can see here, the overview, like you can see, it's been increasing, over since June. He hit his highest peak on August, where it has got like 124 million people that has visited in a month. This is actually incredible, and most of the traffic is coming from the United States, which is actually great as well. So it means that your videos are gonna be exposed to a lot of people. Another thing I wanna say is, like, you want to make sure that you don't upload like 10 videos in a day, because then you're gonna get banned. So you need to upload videos that are quality, and then you have to upload it, like, for example, maybe once a day will be okay, and see what's the feedback and if people are liking it or not. And this is gonna get you money, as you can see that actually other people are doing this and they getting paid with it. You know, as you keep scrolling down and you go into different pages, you're gonna see that people are actually getting paid for the views that they getting. Okay, so this actually is no joke. Just by uploading a 17 seconds videos to get $40, that's not bad at all. And then you can actually go into your account and you'll be able to see your earnings, you'll be able to see your content, and then you'll be able to see your licensed video, and here you will be able to upload your video. Okay, so once that you have, let's say that you have decided to go for this video, okay, you find this video is okay, it's cute. So what you will do, you'll go to a different website which is called Save From Net. Okay, and this website is actually gonna allow you to download videos from the internet. So when you add the URL there, what's gonna happen is, like, you know, you need to wait a couple of seconds, because it might take a while until you download it, so it might not appear, but then eventually your video will appear here. Okay, so you can see here, you click on download and it will download straight into your desktop. So what I want to show you is, like, there are so many softwares for editing videos and so on, but my favorite ones are, if you're using Mac, will be iMovie, because it's very simple and straightforward. Otherwise you can use Camtasia, or you can use OpenShot. For example, if you go into OpenShot, it's a open source software where you can actually, you know, download it and then start editing straight away. Okay, so once that you have your video, then you will go into your software and then you will add the video, and then you just cut and take out certain sections. You can add different music and so on, and different sounds to make it unique. Okay, and I'm not gonna go into that because I'm not gonna waste any of your time. I just want you to grab the concept, so then you can go straight away and start taking this strategy, doing every single step, take action, massive action, and start getting the results that actually other people are getting on this website that is coming up. Okay, so as I say, you need to be original, you need to do a little bit of research to make sure that the videos that you select are funny videos and are cute videos that people are actually liking. Okay, next step, you have to make sure that it's Creative Commons, and even if it's Creative Commons, you want to do some editing to that video, because otherwise it's no point. Okay, so then you could be accused of copyright strikes, but you don't want that. Okay, so as I say, Rumble is very good because you can start getting paid right away. You don't need any subscribers, any watch hours, or anything like that. Okay, so once that you have that, you're going to download that, you'll get your video, and then you'll go into your software, and as I say, you will be editing different cuts of your video, cut here, and then make sure the video is kind of unique. It's completely different from the video that you downloaded on the first place. Okay, so this is all for today's strategy. This is what I wanted to share with you, how easily you can combine Rumble and YouTube to make your own videos and start making money right away. Okay, so I think it's a good opportunity. Don't sleep on it, take massive action. I hope you can benefit from it, and if you like this type of videos, the only thing I would appreciate if you could give me a massive like, because that will really help the channel and for me to be able to create similar videos and bring you the latest strategies on digital marketing right now. Okay, so with that said, as I say, you know, immerse yourself on it, take massive action, and then I hope that you become very successful and you can have the same results that other people are getting. I hope that you have a great day and a great week, and I will come very soon with more content and more strategies so you can benefit and start making extra income on the side. Okay, so take care, guys.